Is that Narda Boys?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, that's my favorite YouTube channel.
Me too.
Really?
Yeah.
You can subscribe at youtube.com/NardaBoys.
Mm-hmm.
Hello guys, how you doing? Peter back with another video. So today we're going to be finally installing the interior parts that I bought. Pretty much all I need is a screwdriver because most of it are just little screws. The bezel up front, that one probably just pops in, I'm pretty sure, if I remember right. These door bezels, I believe they have one screw over there and one screw on the other side, of course. And then the fog lights have a screw each. And the amber light, the amber parking light, that one has one screw. So we should be able to put them in fairly easily, but I don't know if I have all the screws, so it might not work out the way I wanted to, but I'm sure I have screws in the house, so I'll find it and make it work. But I'll update you guys here in a bit and I'll show you guys what I'm doing. Alright guys, so first thing we're gonna do is pull out this bezel. I'm pretty sure, if I remember correctly, this just pops out. Try to get my screwdriver in here. It should just pop out. Let's see. Yep, there it goes. And obviously we gotta unclip the harnesses right here for the clock and then for the hazard. That's out the way. Let's see. I need this too. Alright. See, this button came out and stuff, so no wonder it wasn't working. Well, it works, but I guess the old owner broke it too, because you can tell. He tried to tape it back or glue it back together. But oh well, we don't need that no more. Now, what I do need from this old one is the clock right here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out these screws. There's one right there, and one right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out those screws. If it'll come. Yep. One right there. Now for the other two. Alright, that one's loose. We should be, yep. So we got the clock out. Alright, so we got it out. Now this is the new bezel. So we're going to try to set it in there. There we go. It's nice and set. Now we just gotta put in the screws. Oops. Yep, finger. It's pretty sturdy. Buttons are good. Alright, now the fun part is popping it back in. Here we go. Alright. Looks a lot better. Of course, I'm gonna clean up the whole dash and all that, but it looks a lot cleaner now. Without that remember sticker and the button actually working. Look at that. Yep. Alright, so we're gonna do, let's see what we're gonna do next. Where's my screwdriver? Probably the side marker since it's the easy one. So for this, it's pretty simple as well. You just gotta remove the bolt right here, or screw right here on the side of it. Oh. that bad boy out. Should be able to. Oh, here's that. Now you're gonna go in with the new. In with the new. It's a little more difficult than I thought, so I'm gonna take this apart and then show you guys here in a bit. Alright guys, so I got it in now. Looks a lot better than that painted gray one. So, yeah, what I had to do was this little part, I guess it's a two-piece thing, so this little part I had to take away from the back part because one of them sits inside the bumper and this one sits outside the bumper, as you can see right here, the little bezel or whatever you want to call it. But I had to take out that screw from right there, so I did that and it was a lot easier now. So yep. Now let's move on to the front lights. Alright guys, so this is the old bulb that came out with the socket too. Not sure if it works. I'm gonna try it out because the bulb doesn't look burnt. It does look burnt at some angles, but it doesn't at the same time. So I'm gonna give it a try. For that, obviously the connection's inside the bumper, and obviously since I'm gonna take the front turn signals off, might as well just start moving the bumper. So I have a quick release on my car, so I'm gonna go ahead and start taking that out from that side and the other side as well. So now, should be able to just pull it off. So here's the harness for that turn signal. So we're about to check if it works. Well guys, it looks like it is working. So I'm just gonna pop that boy back in, and the other side works. As you can see, it's lit up, but it's just dirty. So I might just go in there with some acetone, try to remove the thing, and see if I won't mess up the plastic. But we'll see what I can do. All right, guys. So put in the side markers and the front turn signals. So now they look great, man. They look so nice. Now I can finally have turn signals in the front. In my old Prelude, I had a 99 white Prelude. A lot of my friends know. But I didn't have turn signals in the front on that car, so man, it looks good. So I'm about to show you guys here, all right? So are you guys ready? All right. Bam, look at that. That shit looks dope. Look at that. Yeah. Now I just need to get the fog lights, the ones that go right under it, right there. As you can see, the car has turn signals and fog lights on them, but they're all painted. The guy that painted the car before me, he painted over them. I don't know why he would do that, but he did. So they look like that. Then I got an extra bulb of turn signal just in case one of them goes out. But yeah, man, like, come on, man, why you gonna do that to me? All right, guys, so we installed this. It works, as you can see. Nice. This little lock works too. It's all good now. Now I just need to install that side. Alright guys, so we installed that one too. Like I said, it works. Everything works. You can open the door with the two. This one works. So we got that bezel in there. Let's see. Let's look at the clock. Yep, you can't really see it, but there goes the clock. Yeah, probably see it. Saw that sun. Yep, there it goes. It's not the right time. I gotta adjust it, of course, but I could do that later. It's not a big deal. All right, guys, that's gonna do it for this video. As you saw, Abe is not here with us right now. So about Abe, he's in California. He's in Mexico right now. He's on vacation. You know, he wanted me to tell you guys what's up. Say what's up to the vlog for him. He's probably gonna be gone for maybe the next 2 or 3 videos, not sure. But yeah, he's in Mexico right now, you know, enjoying his time. Yeah, that's about it. So we'll catch you guys up in the next video.